Welcome to D-Lab. On the bench today I have a Chicago Blues Box model Kingston amplifier. It was brought up here with the complaint of loose tubes. So I guess he's getting some cutout in sound, a little bit of noise, but the alarming thing is his tubes want to fall out of the sockets. So let's take a look at what's going on. Alright, let's take a look at the chassis of the amplifier. I can already see the problem. These sockets are notorious for failure. Unfortunately, these are not a high quality socket. You can see how the pins move around. This one's the same. And the 12AX7s also have the same ceramic type sockets. Now it looks like one has been changed with a Micalex. So somebody was on the right track. But these tubes, like they say, are not being held very secure. They pretty much want to fall out. So since I already know this is the issue, we are going to start changing out the sockets. So these first three, we'll replace them with high quality Belton Micalex sockets. So since it's pretty obvious what's causing the fault, I'm going to start here and we'll change out these octal sockets with the Belton type, and then I'll work my way over and change out the 9-pinners. Well, here's a comparison of the ceramic socket and contacts versus the Micalex. And thank God the Micalex will actually go right back in the same hole and screw holes line up. Otherwise, man, it'd be torture to try to open those up. I've got the octal sockets replaced. Here's the old ones. You can see those contacts that were looser than a goose in the ceramic. I also added a set of 1 ohm resistors to the cathode of each output tube so we can measure the bias. We'll move over here and start on the 9-pin sockets. I've got the remaining 9-pin Micalex sockets installed. Remember, this fourth one here had already been done. The two rear ones were fairly tricky since they're tucked in there pretty tightly. Had to use a magnifying glass and tweezers, but I was able to get the job done. I installed a match pair of Tungsol Mullard Series 6L6s and set the bias. Now this amp has a unique feature. There's actually a bias pot per tube. So with the 1 ohm current sensing resistors, you can put your meter across that resistor and dial those guys in and get balanced idle current through each of the output tubes.